Right, so I'll be showing us how we could actually use the templates here. How we could use the free templates here. Alright, so it's not as if you've been able to log into your um course, right? And then you've been able to navigate your way into um the course topics, right? So once you scroll down, right? Once you scroll down, you would find this section where it says template section and updates. Template section and updates. Okay, update because there will be some updates, right? And whenever there's an update, it will be uploaded there, right? So um the first thing here is how to install and use the free templates. Okay, so you also find here template chef. All right, so let me now show us how we could install this free template and then how to use them. All right, so first of all, you click on this template chef, and then to take you to this page where we have the templates that we already have already. So we have landing pages, we have e-commerce sales pages, and then we have some ready to import templates. Okay, so let's, for example, let's just click on this e-commerce sales pages. All right, so it's taking me directly to my Google Drive where all the templates are. All right, so all I need to do here is to install each of these templates, each of them. So I could come over here and then let's say, for example, let me install this Ecom 9 here. It's Ecom 9. Click on these three dots here and then click on what? Download. So as soon as I've done that already, it will download automatically. Right, it download automatically. Alright, so all I need to do now is to go back to my dashboard here. Okay, and then I would go to where my templates are. Okay, go to where my templates are. Alright, and then I'll click on templates. Okay, click on templates, and then I would come over here where I'm seeing add new templates and import templates. I will click on what? Import templates. Alright, so it's showing me this box here where I need to choose a file or drag a file to this place. So I would click on choose file. Alright, and then I'll go to my downloads so I can get the ecom I downloaded. So I'll click on this and then click on what? Open. So it is here already. What I need to do now is to click on what? Click on import now. So right now it will start importing when I click on continue. It's already importing. So as soon as this is done, we'll find the templates right down here. Alright, so let's wait for it to import successfully, and then we'll have a view of what the template looks like, and then we'll try to edit it. So let's give it some time for you to import. Alright, so it's now imported. So let's go down here. This is it here. Become nice. So let's have a view of what this template looks like. Let's have a view of what it looks like. Okay, so this is the template here. It's a sales page. So if you have a particular product you want to sell online, you could use this template to sell your product. You could use this template to sell that single product. Okay, so let's go back. All right, so this is templates here already. So let's try to work with this template, right? Let's go to pages here and let's add a new page. 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 So so these are all the pages that we have here already. So I need to add what? I need to add a new page. So I'll click on add new page right here. You can add new page, and then let's just name it um this page, and then I'll click on what? Edit with Elementor. Alright, so now it is now created already. All I need to do is to get into this sales page I've created already, and then let's try to work with our ecom templates. Let's give some time for it to load. Okay, so this is it. This is our sales page. So all I'll do right now is to come over here where I'm seeing this plus sign. I'll go to the next widget here that says add templates. I'll click on it, and then I'll come over here to my templates. Are you seeing it? My templates. And then I'll search for my ecom 9 from my templates. I'll search for my ecom 9. So let me come over here and then type ecom. So this is it here. Alright, I'll just insert instantly. I will insert. Alright, so as soon as this is done already, the sales page will appear on my sales page site. So this is it here. This is it here. This is my sales page. Alright, so let me try to have a look at what it looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like. So all I need to do is to ensure that this sales page fits in well. So I'll go back here, and then I'll go to my settings here, and then I'll come over here to page layout, and then I'll do what um I will select Elementor Canva. So as now this is done, we'll see the effect. Of what I just did. Alright, so I would also click on what's this hide title as well. Alright, so let's wait for it to load so that we could see the effect of what you just did. So let me hide this panel here. Alright, so you can see now it is now on the full page. It's not on the full page. So let me go back. Alright, let me go back now, and then uh, I'll try to work on this. So alright, so all I need to do now is to ensure that I just make changes here. I could change this here. I could give this an image, choose an image here. Alright, I could just choose an image, any image at all that I have. Just come here, uh, just come here, select this, you know. I could come over here as well. Just play around. I could change the font here. Could change anything that is here. I could remove this. If I don't want it, I could remove it. If I don't want, I could remove it. And I could just work with this. If I don't want this, I could just still remove everything here. All right, so this is how it looks like. All right, so um you could also change the image here. If you don't want this as well, you could also still delete it. All right, so just make sure that you play around, or whatever change you want to make, you just make them here easily. You could remove what you don't want, and then you could add what you want as well. All right, so let's just scroll down. Let's scroll down. This is testimonial, right? Then this is the FAQ, or this is the form. All right, so let me just show you something about this form, right? Let me show you something about this form. As soon as a customer comes here, so let me show you something, right? If any customer clicks on this button here that says order to get a discount, right? There's meant to be an effect, all right? An effect. So probably this button, as you can see right now, this button is meant to take the customer directly to the form, all right? So this site was designed in a way that if anyone wants to purchase any product, all right, any button that the person finds on this page would lead the person or the customer to the form. So, for example, now as a customer clicks on that button, to take the customer to this form where the customer needs to fill in his or her name and address, and then all these details here, and then the owner of the business, the owner of the site would get the details via email or via WhatsApp or via both platforms, right? So, or let's say, now look at this now. Once anyone clicks on this button, so the customer would be directed to this form. All right. So, um, yeah. So what you just need to do is to ensure that what the customer needs to do is to fill in this form. All right, and then the owner of the business will get every detail, right, about what was filled here. So probably the owner of the business might contact the person. All right. So let me show you something that we could do here. Okay, now provided your website is already linked with your SMTP, which I've showed you how to do, or you would get a mail instantly of the information that your customer feed in this form, so that you can know the next line of action, probably to call your customer. Right. So I want to show us a way, another way again, which is your customer sending these messages or sending this information to your website, to your WhatsApp directly. All right. So in other words, as soon as they click on this button, this submit order, they'll be redirected to your WhatsApp, where all this information will be sent to. So all we need to do is to install a particular um sorry, let me duplicate this. Is to install a particular plugin called extension for Elementor form. Extension for Elementor form. All right. So let me just try to go back to our dashboard so that we could install that particular plugin. Let's give it some time. Okay. All right. So all right. So let me just try to go back to our dashboard here, and then let me go to plugins. All right. So I'm already on plugins already. I would then click on add new plugin from here. All right. And then I would search for extension for Elementor form. Extension for Elementor form. Uh, coming. Let's try to search with form. Let's do extension. All right. So yes, so this is the extensions for Elementor form. Okay, so it's not extensions for Elementor form. So I'll click on this install now. Extensions to the S. I'll click on this install now. It's already installing. So now I've done this already, we'll see the effect of what I was talking about. So now let's go back to our sales page here. And this is the form here. So all I need to do now is to click on this pencil icon here on this form. All right. So right here, I'm seeing the full name, the main phone number. I'm seeing the second number, or WhatsApp cable type, length, quantity, detailed address for the supply. All right. So I will come down here where it says redirect, redirect, redirect. So all right. So it says the actions after submit, rather actions after submit. I will click on this button here, and then I will search down here for WhatsApp. Okay, so it's not showing here yet. I need to go back to see if it's already installed. Okay, sorry, I've not activated it yet. I'm sorry about that. I've not activated it yet. So let me click on what activate. Activate. So it's activating already. As soon as I've done that already, I will then need to go back and then work. All right. So, let's go back to our form. Let's go to our form. All right, and then click on this pencil icon here in the form, and then I'll search for actions after submit, and then click on this button here. All right, so let me refresh this. Let me refresh this. So it's getting refreshed already. As soon as it refresh, then it should have what I'm looking for. Should have what I'm looking for. Right, so we are back now. So all I need to do now is to just go back to that form again and then click on this pencil icon here. All right, pencil icon, then I'll scroll down, action to submit, and then I'll click on what, click on this plus sign here. All right, and then as you can see, I now have my WhatsApp here, right? Now I have my WhatsApp here, so I can click on WhatsApp here, and then I would come over here to my WhatsApp and then insert my WhatsApp phone number here. Uh, okay, and then I'll just insert the message that should be sent. So I want to show us how we could ensure that the messages here or the information feed in this form are accurately sent to you on your WhatsApp. So how to do that? I want to do so come here, um, type full name, which is the name that you find there, right? And then there will be a code, all right? So because the details of this name, the details of this information here actually contained in the code. So how do we get that code? We'll come to this form feed here, come to this full name here, come to advanced, click on advanced here. Look at this short code. There's a short code here. Look at the short code here. Just copy this short code here. It's that easy. Then go to your action auto submit here. Come to your WhatsApp redirect. Then paste it here. It's that easy. Then come over here to as type enter or hit enter rather. Now for space, for you to have space, right? For you to have space, because if you just type in this full name to code, short code, and then you continue same process all through, um, you might not really like the results. So what you need to do is to ensure that there's space in between. There's space in between every information that is filled. So how do you do that? Um, just copy this stuff that you see here, this percentage break percentage. Just copy it. And that's all you need to create space. So you can paste it here. Oh, sorry. Copy it again. Um, sorry. Okay, so let's just type it out. Or let's type it out. Percentage break. Um, percentage. Then let's copy it. All right, and then paste again so that I can have enough space. All right, and then next thing now is what main phone number. All right, and then column here, main phone number. All right, and then column here. Okay, and then we'll just go back to the form field again. All right, this is the main phone number here, and then we'll copy the short code here for main phone number. Copy it here, and then go back to your action auto submit. Then go to your WhatsApp redirect, and then paste the code here. So this is how you do it to ensure that you actually get your results. You do it all through. Do it all through. So as soon as that is done already, um, let me show us a bit of what the result would look like. So let me take this off. Let me just take some of the feed off so that I don't use all our time. Um, taking this off, taking this off. Let me leave this. Let me leave this. So yeah, I'm having words. Oh, sorry. My bad. Right. So right here, I'm having words. I'm having give us a detailed address. So this is too long. So let me just try to see if I could copy the information there already. Easier. So I'm copying this already. So going back to my WhatsApp direct, come back here, all right, and then paste it, then copy this here so that I could find some space, enter, paste, all right, then give us a detailed address including bus stop. So I'll go back to the form field and then copy the code, advanced short code, copy this here, and then go back to our WhatsApp redirect, um, come back here, column, and then paste. All right, so let's try to test what we've done already. So I will just make sure that this is publish. Let's publish this. Okay. Publish, and then this is done already. our page is now live. So let's try to test what we've done already. All right, so let's preview pages. Let's try to test this, and let's see the results. So let's wait for this to load. All right, so now don't mind all this. You could actually still adjust it while trying to work on your page. So this is a bit rough, but it is easy to edit. So I'm just trying to save our time. That's why I didn't go through all this. All right, so right, so my name. Well, my name is Chivo. Um, phone number. I can fill anything here. 23 blah 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 blah. Let's say I live in Ikoyi. Um, let me say I live in Bondelon Street. I live at number 45A, 45A Bondelon Street, Ikoyi, Lagos. All right, Ikoyi, Lagos. Okay, Lagos. So let's click on submit order. So it's showing me here that my order has been successful. So right now I'm now being redirected now to this person's WhatsApp. All right, so all this information will be sent to me once I click on continue to chat. So if I'm on my phone right now, I don't have it downloaded yet, but it's on my web. It's on my web. So now if I'm using the mobile phone, it will be sent to me directly on my mobile phone. So that's all for now. Let's just go back to where we started already. So you can see how that works now. I'm using my mobile phone. The information will be sent to me on my mobile phone, and I would have the information of the customer. So this done already. I'm so sure that you've been able to learn how to um edit this site, edit this sales page, and then how to actually achieve your results. Okay, because the whole essence of having sales page is that at the end of everything that you have here, your customer will be able to send the order to you, and be able to get the order, and then know the next line of action. So this done already. I'm so sure that you've been able to learn how to edit, and then um how to make your website, your sales page user friendly, and sales and then sales becoming very possible. Okay, so yeah, this done already. If you have any question, ensure that you meet up, you reach out to me on WhatsApp. You can chat to me on WhatsApp, and then I'll be able to attend to your inquiry. All right, thank you.